Hey everyone, Ashley the Harry Potter fan here. You guys are probably asking yourselves, why is she showing her feet? Well, I'm about to show you guys something really cool. Yeah, I got my Keurig coffee machine today. Yeah, I got my check on Monday, like I mentioned in the previous video. Today I will be showing you guys how cool it is. Now I'm not bragging or anything, that's not what I do, but you know. Okay, let's get the show rolling. Okay, let's continue with my Keurig coffee machine. Now I'm going to be putting in hot water since I'm going to be making myself tea. Since I'm really short and the tea bags are so up high, I have to use a ladder. Okay, which one of the four? I'll take the caramel apple dream. No. I'll just take the green tea. Okay. Okay, time to toss it. Okay, I failed. At least it's still in this package. Okay. Alrighty then. I'm just going to set my phone on the cutting board, and I'm just going to continue on with the rest. Well, crap. But that's okay. Okay, that should be it for the tea bag. Yeah, I used my Kiss mug that I got a few months ago. Yeah, this one. So, yeah, just put in tea and all that stuff. And I'm not saying I'm a boring person. I just wanted to show you guys. Besides, it's really late my time. But, you know, I try to have decaffeinated stuff at night because if I have something that involves caffeine somewhere between 4:30 and now, I'm going to be up nearly the entire night, or if so. So, yeah. So comment, rate, subscribe. I post videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes weekends if I have to. This has been Ashley the Harry Potter fan, signing off.